Hey gang, and welcome back to the hallowed halls of Magic's monologue. Magic here, your curator of personal growth and the sage keeper of the keys to today's tome of wisdom and knowledge. Today's video, she cheated on me while I was deployed. Let's begin the journey. This is a quick one today, and why I say don't get married or have a serious relationship while you're in the military. Wait until you get out, because chances are you'll get cheated on and end up raising somebody else's kid due to paternity fraud and lose half your pension in the process. Now, is this a guarantee? No, but the odds aren't great that it won't happen. He writes, my girlfriend and I have been together for about a year and a half. In October, I left for the Army to attend basic training. For the holidays, I got 2 weeks leave to come back home. Slap to the back of the head. Guys, if you're going into the military, end it. I know most of you are convinced, not my girl. Said just about every military guy who's ever been cheated on. According to the Fallen Soldier March, a nonprofit website, infidelity accounts for nearly 40% of divorces in the United States. In the military marriages, this rate is reported to be about 10% higher, suggesting that infidelity may contribute to approximately 50% of divorces among military couples. So tell me this, are those the kind of odds you would bet your life on? Before I left, she was always playing video games. I didn't think much of it at the time. She was doing well in school, worked hard at her nursing job, and seemed like she had everything under control. Slap to the back of the head. Dude, a nurse? Have you not seen my video? 5 adulterous professions females are most likely to cheat on you. There is a reason why the stereotype about nurses and cheating exists. Not to insult the female nurses who are faithful, but if you're going to play the percentages, the nurses are for fun only. Unless she signs an ironclad prenup with a serious adultery clause, and even then, a judge can decide to throw it out in some jurisdictions, I would advise you not to get seriously involved with nurses, female or male. While I was gone, things changed. No, really? She met this guy through the game, and I found out they were talking a lot. She lost her job and her motivation in life, and even her mom was begging her to leave her room and stop gaming so much. Ladies and gentlemen out there, does this sound like wife and mother material to you? I think she lost her job and her motivation for life. Combine that with nursing school, and dude, kick this one to the curb. I read many of their messages, and some of the things they said made me feel sick to my stomach. Don't get me wrong, I've read worse stories, but this truly hurt. They developed an emotional connection and became really attached to each other. Nope. Done. That's it right there. If she does this to you now, then what things will she do when things get tough? What will she do later in life? My brother, you can do better. He was even talking about buying a ticket to come see her. She claimed it wouldn't have happened, but honestly, I don't know what to believe. Slap to the back of the head. Dude, get your head out of your butt. You do know, and you are sounding very codependent right now. The girl you once loved is gone. This is assuming that she even existed for real. Time to focus on becoming the best you can be over the next couple of years and learn a skill set so when you get out, you can make an excellent living. Look, if you are a young guy in the military, just starting out, go talk to your non-coms. Ask them about Jody and a dependopotamus partner. And from their experience, how wise is my advice? In the comments section below, if you're a non-com or you've been in the military and know what I'm talking about, give your thoughts below. She says she wants to keep going and try and work through this. I'd like to believe we can. Slap to the back of the head. No, no, no. Once a cheater, always a cheater. Don't fall for this. This is a woman of low character. Get rid of her before she baby traps you. Frankly, I think all military men should always get a paternity test due to the chances of infidelity. And if she takes issue with it, then you may definitely have a problem. At that point, do it anyways, and do not sign that birth certificate until you know. But I'm leaving again in 2 months, and I'm terrified it's going to happen all over again. I don't think I can take any more pain that I already have and I already feel now. Dude, you'll live. May not feel like it right now. However, this too shall pass. What haunts me is this. Had I never come home, would it have gone further? I think everybody watching this knows the answer to that question is yes. Would they have actually met face to face? Adding to my doubt, on the very day she picked me up from the airport, she texted him and told him to have a good day at work. Am I wrong for staying with her and wanting to rebuild this relationship? Or am I setting myself up for more heartbreak? All right. My answer is, what you feel is not wrong. What is wrong is stupidly setting yourself up to be a fool. She can't be trusted. Did you know that 100% of cheaters are liars? Think about it. What is so broken in you that you would want to invest in a liar and a cheater? I get the military is accused of creating SIMPs. However, I think that it's just another manifestation of the sheepdog in many military men. However, at this moment, you are in denial, and I'm sorry. There is no saving this. Throw your duffel bag over your shoulder and RTB, and never look back. If you found value in this video, then help a brother out by doing 3 things. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell, and share this with at least 3 friends who need to learn from my channel. Confession is good for the soul and this channel. Send me your personal relationship stories to share, or if you see an article online you think I should cover, send the link to stories@magicsmonologue.com. Through this, you're leading by example, encouraging other men to rise higher, and ensuring you live a life of passion, purpose, and prosperity. If you're watching this on YouTube and want another video like this one, then click here to watch My Wife Cheated on Me and I Didn't See It Coming. Otherwise, if you can't wait for my next new video, then click on one of these right now and watch another. Know the risks, play the game wisely, and I'll see you in the winner's circle.